Hello viewers, in this lecture we will be talking about the difference between the crystalline and amorphous solid. As in previous lecture I have told you about the types of solid in which these two were included. So in this lecture I will differentiate between these two. First of all, crystalline and amorphous solid are those solids in which the particles are tightly packed to each other. But there is a major difference between crystalline and amorphous. The crystalline are those solids which have definite shape and proper structure, in which amorphous are disordered and does not have proper structure. First difference between these two are that crystalline has sharp melting point as compared to the amorphous. Secondly, crystalline are symmetric and amorphous are asymmetric. Now, what does it mean by the symmetric? Symmetric means if we have a body like this shown in your screen, if we rotate it again and again and again in 360 degree, at the end, when we complete our 360 degree, the same pattern will appear. But when we talk about asymmetric, that means there is no proper degree, or we can say that no proper structure when it completes its 360 angle. After that, anisotropic, the crystalline are anisotropic and amorphous are isotopic. After that, there are cut and cleavage, and second word are not cut and cleavage. Now what is cleavage? Cleavage is basically a sheet, or we can say that a structure by which we can cut a particle or a molecule. So these were the difference between these two. Hope that you understand that.